What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Super Rich back here again today. And today we actually had a company that wanted to sponsor your boy. Auxito LED headlight bulbs. They make headlight bulbs, LED dome lights, like your door lights, the headlight bulbs, tail light bulbs, anything LED they basically make. And then also they make jump packs. I think they make charger packs too. And yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for their website. And I am also gonna put a link in the description for my discount code. You guys will be getting 10 to 15% off. So just use the code that's gonna be down in the description if you like the product. And if I don't like it, I'm just gonna tell you guys I don't like it too. So, but good hopes, high hopes for these people. So let's get the Evo hood opened and headlights removed so I can swap them out. And then we're just gonna go outside and see the difference, which we're not gonna have a before, but you can take my word for it. The before is not good. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. Let's just see what they look like in the garage real quick. You know my garage is like hella dirty. Oh, I can't turn the light off in the garage. So, let's get in the car. Turn these headlights on. So, this is with the headlights on. Turn the light on. So these are the headlights. You can kind of see. They're not bright at all. Let me just be honest with you, they're not bright at all. So riding around at night, that's kind of sketchy, to be honest. I am like 95% of the time, I'm probably turning my brights on if no one's around me. But if I'm driving through the city, it really doesn't matter because you got your street lights and all that kind of stuff kind of helping me out. Let me slide the car back a little bit. About right there. All right, let me turn it back off. All right, so I'm gonna drop the bumper, pull the headlights out, and I'll be right back with you. So we back. So I already got one of them hooked up, but this is what they look like. Just an LED bulb with the connector on it. So I got it hooked. It's already hooked up. Just got to put the headlight back in. And I will put it all back together. And then I will turn the light off. And then we'll check and see how big of a difference it is. Right. So got the bumper back on, headlights back in. All right, so I'm going to turn the light off. And we're going to see the difference in our Auxito headlight bulbs. Actually, you know what? Let me actually turn the lights on the car first. Alright, let me turn them off. Turn the garage light off real quick. Alright. Oh yeah, way brighter. Way brighter. Like, it basically lighting up the whole damn garage down there too. I'm all the way up here. Still see. The other ones wasn't doing that. Heck yeah. Alright. Shout out to Auxito, man. For real, for real. Shout out to Auxito. Make sure y'all go to the link in my bio and go to their website and buy you guys some headlight bulbs, especially if you're in an older vehicle, like early 2000. Just go ahead and order you some and sheesh, light up the night. But yeah, Don't forget to use my promo code, save you some money, 10 to 15% off. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.